guys, this is the Mercedes-Benz A-Class AMG 45. In this model, how to check engine oil level, so I am going to explain. First of all, engine oil temperature should be 70 degrees Celsius to above. Then start the engine and go into service. Press OK. Then scroll down, engine oil level. So this is the engine oil level. Hello guys, I have this document related to Mercedes-Benz A-Class 45, and this document is related to engine oil filter change. So this is the step by step I will explain this AMG engine, and the engine number is 139, and in this engine no any dipstick, and also different types of engine oil grade and different types of oil level temperature. So during check the engine oil level, different types of temperature. So these are the things available in this information in this document. So according to this document, the first step is run engine to warm it up. Engine oil temperature at last 70 degrees Celsius. So this engine is the 139. At 70 degrees Celsius we can check the engine oil level, or before draining the engine oil, we have to heat the engine 70 degree at least 70 degrees Celsius. Switch off the engine, second step, and third step is remove lower engine compartment panel. This car don't have any dipstick, so we have to drain the engine oil from bottom side. Unscrew drain screw, and then is the seventh, replace oil filter element, replace sealing ring, drain screw, add engine oil, use approved engine oil SAE 0W -20 only, engine damage can cure otherwise. So in this car the engine oil grade is 0W -20 only. And now run engine until warm up the check for leak. After filling the engine oil, we have to check the leak. So engine oil temperature at last 70 degrees Celsius. Engine oil temperature can be read off in the performance. So while checking the engine oil level, we have to run the engine until 70 degrees Celsius. Drain screw to oil pan. This is the drain bolt torque 30 Nm, and the threaded cap in the oil filter housing, it's a 25 Nm. So this drain plug is 30 Nm and this oil filter is 25 Nm. Now it's engine oil capacity. Oil filter filling capacity of engine lubrication system. Oil filling capacity with oil filter 5.8.